2.5 cups of mayonnaise. I prefer Best Foods. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and also Worcestershire. 1 teaspoon of dill weed, and 1 jar of dill relish. You want to make sure you drain your relish because the fluid that's already in this jar here would make your tartar sauce way too runny with the lemon juice and the Worcestershire. So make sure you drain it. Let's get to mixing. So the first thing you're going to want to do is drain your dill relish. Just take it and pour it all into a strainer. Get all that juice out. There you go. Take your 2.5 cups of mayonnaise. That's Best Foods mayonnaise. Remember, don't try that Miracle Whip stuff. It won't come out right. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire. A teaspoon of dill relish.
Dill weed.
Or dill weed, excuse me, dill weed. Then grab your dill relish. Give it a little shake. Try to get as much of that fluid out as possible. All right, that looks pretty good. Add that all together. And then you're gonna wanna mix it. That actually looks pretty good. It looks a little runny now, but you're going to put it into a cup or container, put it in the fridge, and let it set up. All right, let's put it back in this container here. See if I can do this without getting it all over the place. That looks really good. And of course, I have my daughter, who's the expert on how it's supposed to taste. She's gonna let me know how it came out. Get out every bit of it. There we go. Yeah, that came out just perfect. All right, Ellie, come in here and give that a taste. How is it? Good?
Really, really good.
Perfect. Perfect. All right. Thanks, guys. Give it a shot. Let me know how you like it. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, if you want to like, give me a like and subscribe. Thanks again.